So this is the Grandstream GUV3100 webcam, and today we're going to unbox it. So this webcam can do 1080p 60. Yeah, so let's open the box. So it just opens like that. On the top is our quick installation guide and warranty disclaimer. Then there's a bit of foam and the camera. So if we take it out of the bag, it has a 2-meter long USB-A cable, has a tripod mount so that you can screw it onto a tripod, and of course it can clip onto a monitor. It has a microphone and of course an indicator LED for when the thing is on. And there's nothing else in the box. So yeah, this camera is quite wide, much wider than I expected it to be, so I look forward to reviewing it soon. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Also remember to comment, of course.